Hello. So, Naya's off with friends, having breakfast, and I'm home for a little bit before I go to church, and I'm not the vlogging type, and here's Jet. Anyway. Good
afternoon, we're out here. We're at Aldi doing our shopping. And we have to bring all our own bags into here. I don't know. Yep, let's do it. Hopefully there's trolleys up there. It's all that.
So if someone coming and you're like, and I'm just like,
I did say hang on, it's blurry. Oh, cookies. Do you want some cereal?
no, not that rubbish.
Do they have... I swear they've moved things around since the last time we were here. Neutral grain. Still $6.
What is this
Ew.
meal?
I don't know if you like that one.
No, I don't get that.
Red.
Brand?
Okay, we'll skip
Don't
it.
touch that.
These are all just like pasta sauces. Honey mustard.
I don't trust this place.
But you're the one who wanted to come here. We can still go other places. We need
Let's take a picture.
meal. Yep, toilet paper's meal. Where are we now? Because we can't go shopping and go past Kmart. And of course, we're in the furniture. Yeah, that's cool. They have a water bath. This is a water bath. That's dodgy. Yeah. I don't know if they have big bird baths. Like that. This is my favourite aisle.
Literally just a box.
Mhm.
Cheap wood too.
Yeah, I don't like it.
What's this?
Cheap. I like these for the bathroom.
And then you put that in here.
Yeah, let's do it. Actually, it probably won't fit.
Oh no,
No.
I'll give it stuck.
I'm gonna take the glass out and put it in there. These ones. Are they cool?
It's classy.
I know, but I'd be scared to cook in it because it would make it dirty. But I do need a new fry pan. I like that size. This one? Alright. You know?
So this is my new drink bottle. Check it out. Let's go through the features here. It's not my focus. Okay, here we go. So we got two new drink bottles. Here we have a glass on the inside with a bit of a sleek design. We've got a nice plastic case. Oh, it says built to take a hit. Wow.
Whoa.
I won't. I mustn't.
Oh,
And we've got this nice grip design. I've chosen the grey with a touch of lime green, just a bit of zest. Yeah, so let's go through a little bit else. So it's a bit, I think it's about 750ml. Here we have the, if it focuses.
Tap the screen.
I am.
Oh.
Oh yes, you can see the lock and the unlock. Well, I've got an unlock. And we just pop the nozzle here. Oh! This is Nays. See-through glass.
Tea infuser.
And when you open it, you have a tea infuser, or you can just put a touch of fruit.
Some frozen fruit.
Or a vegetable, I don't know. You do what you want.
Some carrot infused water. Or some potato infused water.
Potatoes.
I should try it right now.
Yeah. Here we have a coffee machine we bought. So, yeah.
I think this is a meal worthy of my eating. I'm gonna put some mixed herbs on top. Okay, something to serve with. Babe, it's dinner time. It's ready. I put the little bits of parsley on it to make it look cool. Let's see. If I can talk, let's do it.
Set it up
Where,
here.
yeah, where are we going to set it up? Yeah, I think so. We can move these things. Well,
What's over here?
yeah. This is all just kind of lame stuff, except for this. Move my envelopes.
Alrighty.
Yeah, nice. Put this down. We shall call this the unboxing of the Cafetali coffee machine.
It's not a proper, like, fully good one. So it's just a normal.
But it's like a pod one. Is it a bit better?
Just eating froth.
Yeah. I'm going to turn mine into an affogato because it tastes funny. That tastes funny.
Well, the milk is supposed to be, when you do coffee, it's supposed to be full cream. So it's then to make this better, you have to.
Sorry, I just put it on.
Where
where
did
is
it go? What happened?
What did happen? Oh, cool.
Goes into its own little bin.
Whoa. And how many? Oh,
Nice.
that's cute. So high tech. Yeah. Let me show you what I got today too. Hang on, I think I already showed it in the video. Oh. Yeah, sounds good. And these plates. Alrighty, let's call it a night. We're gonna watch a movie and have some goodies while I edit this. Hmm?
Netflix first. You just trip.
No, I was running after you. See you next time.
See ya.